Right, hello, welcome back to the channel. Now today's video is slightly different. Today we have this time capsule. It is a Creda 33541 Autopump spin dryer, which is still brand new in its box, as you can see. Still got the security protection tape from the retailer. Don't quite know who it came from originally, but there we are. This was in a customer's garage. Basically, she had a Bosch Classics with the touch buttons from like the early, well, mid to late 2000s. And this was next to it. I noticed that she had the box for it. I didn't notice it was sealed straight away. I asked if she still used it, or if she had used it rather, because I noticed it was brand new. And she said no. And we got in conversation about it. And in the end, I gave her a donation to a local pets charity in exchange for the spin dryer. So I've done all right with it, really. We're going to take it out of its box. So the box is a bit damaged. The garage was damp and the machine was leaking, so the box is water damaged at the bottom. I've no idea what condition this is going to be in. So yeah, anyway, let's have a quick look at the box before we take it out. Yeah. On this side we've got a sticker saying what's inside, which is the same as what's on the other side opposite. Spin dryer, Creda, pack size, things like that. One side we've got a carry handle, and then we've got the other side of the sticker. I've no idea who that's from. I want to say it's like Curry's, but I don't know. Other side we've got the exact same as the other side. Another sticker with the model number and serial number on. You can see this side is a bit more water damaged. This side's the worst. So we've got a carry handle that side. We've got a carry handle this side with a little sneak peek. You can see the white spin dryer and the drain tube. As you see, it's been damp, been mouldy over the years, but there we go. Right, let's get ready to take this thing out. Right, here we go. So I had a thought. I've sold lots and lots of brand new machines, washing machines, dishwashers, dryers over the years during my working life. But I've never unboxed a spin dryer. So there we go, first time for everything. Tell you what. Make it a bit more exciting for you. So there we go. We have a little pouch with an instruction sheet by the looks, the guarantee or registration card, and then after sales. Have a closer look at that in a minute. We have the spin mat. It's plasticky material, not rubber or anything. And then we've got this polystyrene frame around the machine. Plug sits in there. Pop that out. And then we are left with the spin dryer. So we've got Creda Debonair Autopump. Packet is sealed at the top. Yeah, and we'll lift this out at this point. Right, here we go then. He's going to try and lift it out. The machine's resting in this little cradle at the bottom of the box, so I'll pop that back in there for now. Box to one side. So here we go then. The bag's got a little cable tie around it, so I've got these nail clippers to take the tie off. get it out of this bag and all that. That's not working. Winding me up now. There we go. So, plug, and we've got a little cord clip thing round it there. At the back, we have the waste hose, which is tied up with string. I'll plug this in, but I won't put water through it. Keep it as fresh as possible. Rating stickers at the bottom. Made in Hungary. Creda, etc, etc. At the bottom of the spin can we have a little postcard of user instructions. They went more to town with the guarantee registration form than the instructions. There we go, it's a new spin dryer, isn't it? So the lid closes down like so, and then you will press the little blue button first to click it off, and the spinner will slow down. Then you can release the lid when it's stopped. So I have just plugged it in. I haven't switched on though. Jum's still free, which is good. I'll flip the switch on. Here we go then. Well, there's nothing wrong with that. So there you have it. One now unboxed all these years later. I'm not sure exactly where this is from. Creda spin dryer. Now I was going to look at the instruction manual, so let's have a look at that before I forget. So here's our little pouch. It's already open at the end, which is fine. So we've got 3 things here. Right, we have a double-sided A4 sheet of paper with instructions on. Use of your S202PW and S102GW, assuming that PW is pump water and G for gravity. Some information about the plug. Don't quite know why they're all in like little fried eggs, but there we go. On the back, about rinsing after use, storing the cord. Does it say there's a loop of a storage bracket? Oh yeah, there is a storage bracket on the back actually for the cord to hang. It's just there. So that's the instruction sheet. We have Creda, our commitment to you. I quite like the fact that's got the nice old tumble jar on the front of that. Oh, there we go, we've got a nice old washing machine as well. Thank you for choosing Creda. Creda Care, your guarantee. And there's a man taking away a tumble dryer for scrap. And we have the owner's registration card. Return this card within 10 days to register your ownership and to win a 5-year guarantee for your prize draw. This is an S202PW. Oh, I guess it goes under 3351 when I Google the model number. more of these came up. Go on, and so this is where you tell them everything about you. Don't quite know what they're asking. So you've got occupation, indicate number of children living at home, your annual income, credit cards, your hobbies. I don't quite know what I need to know all that. But there we go. So there we have it. One Creda spin dryer. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Slightly different. Look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, goodbye.